Creating highly detailed production-ready components is something SOLIDWORKS excels at, but not all of this detail is required in higher-level assemblies. The Defeature tool provides the capability to massively remove unnecessary detail, to improve large assembly performance, or to protect intellectual property. SOLIDWORKS 2019 introduces a new silhouette option to help simplify an assembly based on the outlines of components and bodies. We'll start by selecting several components that we would like to retain their original geometry, in other words, no simplification. A variety of simplification methods are available. For this selection, we will choose no simplification to copy the geometry. As we add this group, SOLIDWORKS splits the window and presents a preview of the simplification. The view orientation of the windows stay in sync to help visualize the progress. Next, we can use the new option to select identical components to grab all of the rail wheels and all of the studs. The cable and motor end plate are selected as well as the motor, which is a body. For this selection, we will choose the cylinder method of simplification to really strip off all of the detail. Next, we'll grab all of the hex nuts in one go, as well as the bodies of the pivot hanger and the electrical control box. For these, the polygon outline method is used, which creates an extruded polygon that fits around the outline of the selected components. Finally, the drive motor will be simplified using the tight fit outline method. This will create an extruded body by using a tight outline of the selected components in multiple directions. Default planes or a face can be selected to help define the orientation of the outlines. Once satisfied with the simplification, the defeatured model can be saved to a new document with a link to the original, or component suppliers can upload directly to 3D Content Central to be shared on the web with millions of designers and engineers. This defeatured model is much better suited for the top-level assembly. Simplifying complex assemblies has never been easier than with the enhanced Defeature tools in SOLIDWORKS 2019. This tool will help users share their models and protect their intellectual property.